I do think we're live. I'm not 100% sure. Uh, okay. So, I found out the reason it did not minimize last time. While we're getting started, I'm actually going to choose a better menu icon. That will do. Hey, Nat, what up? Figures. More YouTube jankery. What is that thing? Is that like a... Oh, whatever. Let's see. History channel. There's like a thing with like a bunch of... Okay, here we go. These. There it is. That's the menu icon that I was looking for yesterday. I don't know why I didn't find it. Oh, yeah, no, that was my thing from close it. It's all anything here. Okay. So Nat, how's the audio though? Is it okay? You can turn this thing down a little bit. All right. So this is the. You know what, let's just go back to the thing we're used to here. Okay. So we started doing the libraries thing, right? But first, I need to go back to the menu button. Here. And I will. Okay, should be in header, right? Yeah. We're gonna get rid of the rotate and maybe keep the next separation. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of that. There we go. Well then again, let's see how this looks like. Ooh, I like it. It looks like a 45. So yeah, the reason it wouldn't minimize last time is because I am using a tiling window manager, and I forgot about the fact that you don't minimize or maximize in this. It's all like up to the user. But yeah, so the minimize, maximize do work. Matter of fact, here. Okay, let's switch these around. So we want the X button to be where the minimize is. Yeah. Think like that. Minimize, maximize. Yeah. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. So, what we do now? What do we want to do? What order do I want to do this in? I still like how it looks like a little clip at the end of it, like it's like going slightly in. Well, I guess I'll start with the actual like nav menu thing. So let's go ahead and make that. That's gonna be part of the body of things. Well, it could be a part of the header. Might not look as good though. Well, we'll see. Let's dub it a menu item here, and just for consistency. All right. And then window menu. Okay, header menu, display block, position relative, min height 1 em, background var, let's say menu nav, yeah, menu bg default. Let's go back to our variables. Right. Chat disconnected. Okay, that's cool. Nat, are we still here? Or did like YouTube just decide to shard itself? There we go. No, you're good. It said chat disconnected for some reason. So I was like hoping that the stream was still going good. Okay, let's do nav button. No, menu BG default. Var. Let's do palette dark 1 alpha. The double var again. Oh, that is a thick boy. Yeah, let's not do that. Let's do position absolute width 100%, top 100%. I want it to be like right here. Wait. Bottom negative 1 em. What is happening with that? Why is it like not aligning the way I want it to? Oh, that's why. Yeah. Because we did the. All right, so that'd be top of our standard PD standard. Yeah. Still off a little bit. It's hard to see, but it's off. Right. How about we put it in the main. And we do top 0 pixels this time. Calc 100% minus var, calc 2 times var, standard padding. Wait, what? What's wrong? Oh. Okay, so it's not either. Let's just make it more like visible for now so we can see it. Do we need to do a 2 times for that? Yeah. Okay, so this would have to be 4 then because the extra bump, right? What is happening with that? Um, does it not? Why is it not applying that? What? Uh, calc 100% minus, let's just try the regular var PD standard. Yeah, dude, it's not doing anything. It's the same as saying 100%, but why? What? Huh? But that works? Huh? What does that... Okay, that makes no sense. Uh... Let's see. Yeah, PD standard. Me 99% of the time I'll try to write code. It do be like that. Okay, PD thick, say 25 EM. Why is the calculation messing up? Okay, so now it's not. What? Fine, you know what? PD thick will do calc 4 times PD standard. 12 times? Whoa, what is going on with that? Oh, right. Yeah. No. Because we have the extra bumpers, so that it would actually end up being 10. Let's not name it thick, though. Let's name it nav width. Yeah, nav menu width. And it'll be that. So calc 100% minus that. And then we can just do width. Okay. Now we can do this again. Var nav menu bg default. And there. There. And there we go. So it's like very slightly dark. So let's actually let's change that. Let's do like a dark 2. Let's try it. No, because that's already the same as that. So if we do a dark 3, it's too green. Dark mid 1. I like that. Okay, mid 1 or mid 2 seems to be yeah, let's do mid 1. Yeah, I like that. And then box shadow var nav sh box. We do the same as that. No, we need to make it different because that's a little bit too strong. Nav shadow box, nav shadow menu. Uh, Dark 1 alpha. Let's try that. I mean, kinda, but there you go. Much better. All right, so now we got it. It's looking good. Probably go back to Dark 2 on the inset one, actually. Yeah. Kind of like that. Maybe just get rid of the, make it even more transparent on the outset. There we go. Yeah. Moving on. Main menu UL, list style type, none. Margin 0 pixels, padding pixels. Main menu ULLI. Display inline block. Padding bar BD standard. So now we can do this. That kind of thing. We have our little why is it so bumped? Why is it what? Nah, dude, that's some stank there. Padding 0 pixels. Are you serious? That's why the stupid thing, because it had a margin and a padding. So yeah, now it'll make sense. 0 pixels for that. Okay. So now we can actually move it back to here like we wanted to. Yo, Parabum, welcome to the stream. Parabum, Paramecium. No, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. I'm just a man sitting in confusion. So now we should be able to do bottom -1 EM. It's not the ideal way to do it though. Do if we just do that? Yeah, that's what I thought. Top 100%. There we go. That's what we're looking for. So we need to do calc 100% plus the bar PD standard. Yeah, and that'll push it like down. Make another variable here for this. PD standard half. This will be 1, 2. There we go. Say that. Should we do it that way? Yeah, why not? It's not too ugly, I guess. It's not too like too many variables. Node. That's yeah, 0, 6. That should be the same as yeah. This is fine. 0, 6, 2, 5. Yeah. I can math. There we go. That's perfect. Now we just need to fix the width thing again. So the left needs to be 0 pixel. And the width needs to be you go? Vertical. Yeah, this needs to now be just 5. Not even. It's 2, right? Not even. What? Did we just do 100%? Sure enough. Okay. I knew something jank was going down with that. Because that didn't make sense. And like, so now we got our sexy menu buttons. We got menu here. So how we're gonna do the menu though is gonna be a bit different. Now that we're out of the state of confusion, we will go ahead and do the funsies part. Okay, so now we can do menu. Let's organize it better. Nav. Yeah, so we'll do nav menu. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, so this is gonna go in the nav thing here. We'll do buttons. Index.js. And the menu part itself. Now we'll do const menu equals require, not slash. Libs, but I'm trying to think how I want to. Yeah, we'll do this. And that's like how we're gonna initialize the things. So we'll do module.exports equals function. And we'll return these. In case we want to manipulate them later, we don't have to use a document.getElement by using again. Okay, so the index.js for the library thing here will be module.exports equals, and then we'll say, yeah, we'll just do this. Const menu header, no. Yeah, const menu equals require dot slash nav slash menu. And do the same with the header buttons. Matter of fact, let's move that. Put it in the libs, and this will be header. Yeah. So we put header in there, and then the nav. Much more organized. Header slash buttons, or just a header slash entirely. Menu, yeah. Yeah, okay. And that's how we're gonna do it. Exports equals buttons equals require. So yeah, we'll just do it this way. That, and then that imports this, which then imports its own button thing, and then nav. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna make the nav thing. Get rid of the slash menu. Index.js. Okay, so moving on, we're gonna get an error because header is not a function. But we are about to solve that. So we are gonna do, for the nav, we're gonna do module.exports equals function. But before that, we're gonna make a class nav. Yeah, constructor, and it's gonna have item list. So that's gonna be an array of objects like label, file, actions, click, an array of like events. So we'll say console.log. We'll do submenu, and then that's gonna repeat like this kind of thing here. So we'll have like label, close, actions, click, window.close, like that kind of thing. And it can go nesting and nesting beyond and beyond and beyond. So we also want to be able to give these a class list. So let's do that. It's gonna either be an array, or like we'll make it so you can assign it as an array or a thing. So let's go ahead and comment that. Can be either array or a string. Yeah. So to dictate that, we will do that. Okay. There we go. Okay. So now what are we doing from here? Okay. It's all right. Doom, doom, doom. In fact, let's yeah, perfect. Now we should be able to do const nav equals new header dot nav. Unexpected token, where? Nav line 26. What you talking about, Willis? Eh? I mean, oh. Okay, so now we're not getting any more errors. So if we console log this, our items should be there. Yeah. Okay. Excellent. So now we're gonna do this.build items, and this.items equals items. Build items. So how we're gonna do it is for let itm in items. Do of. Yeah. And then we'll do const li equals document dot create element li. Now I forgot one thing. This dot container equals document dot create element ul. We need that. It's important here. And then I guess we'll say like where do you want to append it? So parent, and then we'll say parent dot append child this dot container. Okay. So moving on, bytes. We're gonna do this. li.inner text or HTML equals item.label. Actually, yeah. Okay, so if item.label, okay, so if the type is a string, then we're gonna do that. And if not, then if it's a function, then we're gonna say li.enter HTML equals item.label, and then like we'll give it the argument of li and idm. Yeah. So we can do icons if you wanted to. Like we'll do li itm. So now we should be able to do li.append child icon, like let's make an icon here. Const icon equals document.create element span icon.enter HTML equals something random. And yeah, we should be able to append more stuff here, and then you can like customize it more. So I want to keep that option. So we're gonna, yeah, we'll just do it close for now. Okay, so now for let action in itm.actions, li.add event listener, and then we'll do action, and then itm.actions. Dot bind. No, we'll do it this way. E L I item. Have those three arguments pass through. Okay. So now we're saying if, gosh, dude, my brain is zoned out tonight. I don't know why. So we're gonna say if item dot submenu, then we're just gonna repeat, rinse and repeat. So we're gonna say const new ul equals document dot create element ul li dot append child new ul, and then we do this dot build items item dot submenu, and then that'll make it recursive. So now if we do this, oh yeah, undefined append job. So we need to undefine the list. So we just have the default. Do document, no, yeah, document dot get element by ID name, or tag name, right? Element by tag name. No? All right, fine. We'll do ID. Okay, so it did append it, but where is it? Oh, I'm stupid. I put that there and it shouldn't have been there. Okay, so that should be menu. Now it should be in the menu. Okay, so it just made a new UL is all it did. Oh, yeah, because I also forgot to... Okay, so let's get rid of the UL here real quick. I also forgot to append the UL thing. Yeah. Current UL and child UL. that like that, and we should be good. So now it does say undefined, even though it shouldn't. Oh, oh yeah, yeah, no, okay. Return icon. No. We don't need to set inner HTML like that. We just do that. There we go. So it looks like that because we need to do the CSS part for this, which is header. Yeah. Okay. Header menu UL is going to be display none, position absolute, and then header menu ULLI hover UL is going to be display block. So now over like that, and there you go. You got like a little thing. So we're going to modify this a little bit later. I can't concentrate tonight for some reason. So I'm just going to go ahead and call it for night because, yeah, I don't know why. I'm just really tired tonight. Hi, good. Do you have a series that kind of starts from the beginning? This one? Yes. Matter of fact, I need to put them in a playlist real quick. I'll do that. So I'll put these in a playlist. But yeah, I've been streaming. This is like the third day in a row. But tonight, for some reason, I just cannot concentrate. Like, maybe, I don't know, I'll give it a few more minutes and see. Just having one of those nights. Okay. So, yeah, we have our item action there. And as you can see, it's items.actions. Come on. Oh! I'm smart. Yeah, now it should work. Oh? Exquisite me? Console.log action. Item.actions. Yeah, they're right here, dude. Click. Item. Yeah, item.actions. And then action. That's click. So what are you talking about, Willis? Oh, yeah. No, I'm stupid. Okay. And that's because we need to do I equals 0, I is less than... I can go ahead and make it, actually, the playlist real quick. And also, we have a Git repository if you want to go to that as well, which I need to start putting in the description instead of linking it in the chat. YouTube.com/ for the Git repository. I got you, fam. I got you. One sec, though. Let me make the playlist real quick first. That way, this doesn't get all scattered. Because it probably would have been really random. So I do have a bad habit of getting burnt out. So I don't want that to happen, but at the same time, it might. So I might end up, stop working on this thing for a good long time. And I hope that's not the case. But, all right, so the new playlist. Making a game engine. Okay, so here is the... How do I actually go to that playlist now? Save. Here, playlists. All right. How do I link it, though? Share. Yeah, here we go. Get shareable link. All right, so here you go. But if you do, that's fine. You add comments to your code. Yeah, dude. Otherwise, you end up with like a hot mess. As for the Git is... Where is it? Where are you? There it is. The Git is right here. And yeah, So I will try to stream for a few more minutes, but I really don't know if my brain will have it. So yeah, what we need to do is item.actions action length I++. So now we can do this. That's not where I want that. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, now we do that and just say clicked and then close the window. Okay, cool. So it works. Our little menu thing is starting to come along. And yeah, I know I'm not gonna be able to focus, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end it here for now. So you said you had some ideas for how you would implement the QMAP? Oh yeah. So how I'm gonna do that, it's gonna be pretty simple. I'm gonna have like a little separate module over here that I can like use to read from like RPG Maker variables and stuff like that. And the QMAP editor features you're talking about, like the I don't know, I think. But yeah, pretty much any feature that you want, you can just like let me know, and it'll be like, all right, I got you, fam. But anyways, for now, I'm gonna go relax. Bye, guys.